Hello, people. No, it's just occurred to me that quite often, with regard to these videos that I do, it is I'm just speaking random, right? So then, if when many people are watching, it's like, oh, I need to speak intelligently. So so there is this book called, like in my previous video, I said I'll speak about books that have really left an impact on my brain. And it just occurred to me as of yesterday or something on Instagram. I was seeing certain a certain book page that had like so many different books. Like, so then I realized, no, yeah. Normally, with regard to books, there is that greed. I feel like, array, I should go and get it. Of course, there are certain books one wants to read, but by and large, many of the books that I already have, I'm very happy to read and probably reread because you learn that writing style. So, there is this book called Around the World in 80 Dates by Jennifer Cox, COX. And oh my god, see, she's a very, very pretty authoress. And the thing is, this book is all about this one London based lady's search for her perfect guy, and for which she goes on 80 dates around the world. And it's been written with such humor, and finally she finds her guy also at uh, there is this uh, there is this event called the Burning Man that happens in Arizona, I think, in the states. It's in the middle of a desert, so that's where she finds her guy. So it's just so interesting. So do try and read this, people. It's called Around the World in 80 Dates. And considering with all this pandemic, not all of us get to go on any kind of dates. So reading this is like it's vicarious living. So really, people, go and read this. It's called Around the World in 80 Dates, and it is an awesome book to read. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.